Hello, my dear students. Today we step into the fascinating world of flatworms, the Platyhelminthes. These simple yet highly important animals show us the earliest forms of bilateral symmetry, organ level organization, and unique modes of digestion, excretion, and reproduction. In this class, we'll explore their general characteristics in a clear, easy way and understand their schematic classification up to class level. So settle in and let's make Platyhelminthes feel simple, logical and absolutely exam friendly. Platyhelminthes general characteristics. Basically, Platyhelminthes or flatworms are triploblastic acylomate animals with bilateral symmetry. That means they have three germ layers like ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm, so they are called as triploblastic. They have no coelom, that's why they are acylomate, and they have bilateral symmetry. Their body is soft, unsegmented, there is no segmentation and flattened from top to bottom. There is no true segmentation or skeleton in their body, but some of them show false segmentation like pseudo-metamerism like U. Cestoda. Their head region is present at the anterior end. This is the head region. This is the images of different kinds of platyhelminthes or flatworms like uh, monogenean flatworms, flukes, tapeworms, uh, planidia, etc. So their body covering, their ciliated epidermis in Turbellaria is found. The ciliated epidermis sits on top of the body wall musculature. This is the image showing the structure. Their non-ciliated syncytial tegument in Trematoda, Monogenea and Cestoda. The space between the body wall and gut is filled with parenchyma tissue. The space between their body wall and alimentary canal or gut is filled with parenchyma tissue, that is from ectoderm and entomesoderm. Their digestive system, the image showing the digestive system, there is only opening mouth only, and it is also an anus. There is no other specific anus like structure. This digestive system is totally absent in cystodes and acylomates. This is a branched gut is found in turbellarians. Their locomotion occur mainly by ciliary movement, and their musculature, body musculature help is minimal. There is no circulatory or respiratory system in their body, but a few species have hemoglobin. Their nervous system is primitive with nerve cords. This is the nerve cords, and a simple brain or ganglia. This is the cerebral ganglia or brain. Their excretion by protonephridia. This is the excretory canal. It is found by the protonephridia with flame cells. This is the images of the flame cells. Most of them are hermaphrodite except Digenean and flukes, which have separate sexes. But hermaphrodite means in a single organism there are testes, vas deferens, sperm duct, and seminal vesicles, the male reproductive organs, and also the female reproductive organs are present on the same organism like ovary, oviduct, and uterus, yolk gland, etc. Their fertilization is internal, cleavage is spiral and determinate in some animals. The development may be direct or indirect. They may be free living like Turbellaria or parasitic, Trematoda, Cestoda, and Monogenea. Scheme of classification, now we should know about of Platyhelminthes. The scheme of classification of Platyhelminthes is based on partly outlined by Rupert Barnes in 1994, taken from the book Invertebrate Zoology. Phylum Platyhelminthes can be classified into four classes like Turbellaria, Trematoda, Monogenea and Cystoidea or Cestoda. This is the images showing different examples of Platyhelminthes. So this is the comparative account of four classes of platyhelminthes like Turbellaria, Trematoda, Monogenea, and Cystoidea. Turbellaria are mostly free living. Some are commensals or parasites. Trematoda, all of them are parasites. Specifically, they are endoparasite. Monogenea are ectoparasitic in nature in aquatic vertebrates. Cystoidea, the gut parasites present in vertebrates. Body form, Turbellaria, they are small, flattened, unsegmented body and it is bilaterally symmetrical. Trematoda, dorsoventrally flattened body and it is unsegmented. Monogenea, their body is dorsoventrally flattened. But Cystoidea, they are long, ribbon-like segmented body, that is proglottids. Locomotion, they have cilia on epidermis and muscular undulations are found. In case of Trematoda, there is no cilia but their movement is minimal. In case of Monogenea, there is weak or no sucker for movement. Cystoidea, there is no specialized movement but they uses host attachment. Body covering, Turbellaria have ciliated epidermis with gland cells. Trematoda has non-ciliated syncytial tegument. Monogenea has non-ciliated tegument, but Cystoidea they are syncytial and non-ciliated tegument. Specialized structure, epidermal gland cells are present in Turbellaria for secretion. In case of Trematoda, suckers, oral and ventral suckers are present. In Monogenea, adhesive organs like haptor and prohaptor is present. In Cystoidea, scolex with hooks and suckers for attachment is present. Digestive system in Turbellaria, it is simple sac-like intestine, tubular pharynx in larger species. Trematoda, it is complete with branched gut. Monogenea, gut present, mouth lacks sucker. Cystoidea, there is no digestive tract, it absorbs nutrients. Excretory system, protonephridia, Turbellaria has protonephridia with flame cells, but Trematoda has also protonephridia. Monogenea, they have paired excretory pores like which are located anterodorsally. In case of Cystoidea, protonephridia is absent or reduced. Sensory organs, Turbellaria has pigment, cup ocelli and statocyst. In Trematoda, sensory organs is absent or reduced. In case of Monogenea, may have simple sensory structures, but in case of Cystoidea, their sensory organs lack sense organs. Reproductive system, in case of Turbellaria, they are hermaphrodite often with asexual reproduction. In case of Trematoda, they are also hermaphrodite but they have no asexual reproduction. Monogenea, they are reproductive, they are hermaphrodite. Cystoidea, they are hermaphrodite but complete sex organs are found in segments. Life cycle, they are direct, usually no larval stages and some have Muller's larva. Trematoda life cycle, which includes Miracidium larva and they are found in multiple hosts. In case of Monogenea, they have single host in their life cycle but they have Onchomiracidium larva. Cystoidea, their life cycle is complicated with Onchosphere larva and they have multiple hosts. Larval stages, Muller's larva in some forms. Trematoda has Miracidium larva in their larval stages. Monogenea has Onchomiracidium larva in their larval stages and Cystoidea have Onchosphere larva in their as their larval stages. Attachment organs is absent in Turbellaria, but in Trematoda, suckers, both oral and ventral suckers are present as attachment organ. In case of Monogenea, haptor and prohaptor with hooks are present as attachment organs, and in case of Cystoidea, there is colex with hooks and suckers. Respiratory system is diffuses through body surface in Turbellaria. In case of Trematoda, it is located through integument. In case of Monogenea, it is diffused through tegument, and in case of Cystoidea, they are diffused through body surface. And the example of Turbellaria is planaria, example of Trematoda is Schistosoma, example of Monogenea is Gyrodactylus, example of Cystoidea is Tinea. Thank you, my dear students, for staying with me till the end of this class. I hope this session on Platyhelminthes helped you understand their key general characteristics and classification in a clear and simple way. Keep revising, keep exploring, and biology will always feel easy and exciting. If you found this class helpful, do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next class, and till then, keep learning with a smile.